You search for how to buy shares of CSG Systems International Inc., a company that provides billing and customer engagement software for telecom and media firms. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker CSGS. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CSGS to find the listing. Make sure you select the result that references CSG Systems International Inc. to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Review these details to confirm this is the correct CSGS listing. Check the market and ticker before proceeding. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to use, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may become pending until it opens. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can be confirmed. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once executed, and you can monitor it there. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform further.